Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to Social Online Class. Children, how are you? Did you watch the previous video? Did you go through the book? Yes, I hope you have understood that chapter, right? Today we are going to complete the book back exercise as well as reading of question answers. Okay? Okay. The topic is chapter 3 transport and communication. Okay. Please take out your social textbook and a sharp pencil. Okay, children. The title of the lesson is transport and communication. Have you all taken page number 56? Okay. In this chapter, we have learned about the three types of transport. What are the three types of transport? Can you say? Land transport, water transport and air transport, right? Can you remember? Land, water and air transport. Okay. What is a transport? What is called transport? Yes. The movement of goods and passengers from one place to another is called what? Transport. Okay. The three types of transports are land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay. Now take page number 58. All of you please take page number 58. Page number 58. You can see one green box, right? Yes. First one, you can underline the answer, okay? No need to write in the blank. You just underline, okay? National and dash highways connect important towns and cities. What's the answer? National and state highways. Underline the word state. S-T-A-T-E, state. Then the second one. Dash trains glide above the tracks using magnets. Dash trains glide above the tracks using magnets. Underline maglev. Finished? Okay. Now come to page 59. 59. Dash or underwater vessels. Ships or submarines? Answer is submarines. Please underline submarines. Submarines or underwater vessels. Okay. Then page number 62 under the communication topic. Page number 62 under the communication topic. Okay. What are the two types of communication? Personal communication as well as mass communication, right? Yes. What is meant by communication? It is the method of sending or receiving information through post, telephones, radio or computers, right? Okay. Now please underline the green boxes in page 62. Dash are useful means of transport in mountainous and forest areas. Helicopters or aeroplanes. The answer is helicopters. Underline helicopters. Helicopters are useful means of transport in mountainous and forest areas. Okay? Yes. Please go through all the book back exercises as well as the green box, and also please read the book thoroughly. Then only you can able to answer the one word questions. Okay? Yes. Now take page number 64. Another green box is there. Please complete that. The first postal service was done using dash, pigeons or horses. The first postal service was done using pigeons or horses. The answer is horses. Underline horses. Okay. Then in the same page, you can see the below facts. Fax machine converts information to dash digital codes or electronic codes. The answer is electronic codes. Please underline electronic codes. Now page number 66. In 1895, Dash studied radio waves. Guglielmo Marconi. Underline Guglielmo Marconi. And the second one, Dash help in telecasting TV programs. ComSats. ComSats help in telecasting TV programs. Have you completed? Yes, have you completed the green boxes? So the three types of transport are land transport, water transport and air transport. And also communication is of two types. They are personal communication as well as mass communication. Okay. Now take page number 68. Fill in the blanks. Use your sharp pencil to write the answers. Okay. Write neatly and clearly. The first one. Fill in the blanks. First one. Page number 68. Communication satellites are also called as dash. What's the answer? Communication satellites are also called as ComSats. 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 Okay. Answer will be sent through WhatsApp. Please note down now. If you have any doubt, you can verify that answer. Okay. Yes. Please listen to me now. Door-to-door delivery of goods is possible through dash. Door-to-door delivery of goods is possible through which one? Post, right? P-O-S-T. Okay, then the third one, the dash train in Japan is the world's fastest train. Which is the world's fastest train? The Japanese bullet train. Okay, the Japanese bullet train. J-A-P-A-N-E-S-E. Japanese bullet. B-U-L-L-E-T. Bullet train. Learn all the spellings thoroughly. Okay. Fill in the blanks can be asked as one word also. Okay. Then number 4. In earlier times, rafts were made of dash. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. In earlier times, rafts were made of wood. The last one. Dash and dash printing are the current technologies used in printing. Digital and offset printing. Digital and offset printing. Once again, fill in the blanks. First one, communication satellites are also called as ComSats. Door-to-door delivery of goods is possible through post. The Japanese bullet train in Japan is the world's fastest train. In earlier times, rafts were made of wood. Digital and offset printing are the current technologies used in printing. Okay, have you all completed the fill-ups? I hope you have completed, right? Okay, now come to choose the correct answer. Okay, question number 2, choose the correct answer. First one, international calls are possible through dash. 3 options are given there, satellites, television and radio. Which is the correct option? Satellites. Okay, satellites. Please tick option 1. Okay, then no need to write. Please tick it enough. Then second one, urgent and important letters can be sent through which one? Post or courier services or newspaper? Courier services. Tick the option 2, courier services. Then third one, dash used drums to send messages to groups far away. The option is the first one, African tribes. Okay, that is the answer. African tribes used drums to send messages to groups far away. The dash system connects various parts of a city and has made travel quicker and cheaper. Metro rail. Fifth one, dash were the first form of mass communication. Newspapers. Okay. Which was the first form of mass communication? Newspapers. Let me read once again. Choose the correct answer. First one, international calls are possible through satellites. Urgent and important letters can be sent through courier services. African tribes used drums to send messages to groups far away. The metro rail system connects various parts of a city and has made travel quicker and cheaper. Newspapers were the first form of mass communication. Have you all completed? Okay. Now come to match the following. First one, the answers are given directly here. Magazines, which is the answer? Can you guess? Offset printing. Then computer, personal communication. Television, mass communication. Morse code, radio. INSAT 1C, satellite. Okay. Magazines, offset printing, that is the third one. Then computer, personal communication, fifth one. Then television, mass communication, second one. Then Morse code, radio, the first one. INSAT 1C, satellite, fourth one. Have you all completed the book back exercise in page 68? I hope you have completed. Please go through the book once again and check the answers. Okay. Please study the spellings also. Now listen to the question answers. Okay. Answer in short. Listen to the question answers carefully. First question, what is transport? The movement of goods and passengers from one place to another is called transport. The movement of goods and passengers from one place to another is called transport. Okay. Then what is communication? Communication is the method of sending or receiving information from one place to another or one person to another. Okay. Communication is the method of sending or receiving information from one place to another or one person to another person. Okay. Then third one, name the different kinds of transport. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay. Then question number 4, name the two kinds of communication. Personal communication as well as mass communication. Fifth one, what is a satellite? A satellite is an electronic device that is sent into space and moves around the earth or another planet. Once again, what is a satellite? A satellite is an electronic device that is sent into space and moves around the earth or another planet. Sixth one, what is an internet? Answer, an internet is a network of millions of computers around the world which are connected to each other by phone lines, fiber optic cables and satellites. Once again, what is an internet? An internet is a network of millions of computers around the world which are connected to each other by phone lines, fiber optic cables and also satellites. Okay. Then name the inventors. Roman number 2, name the inventors. Okay. First one, radio was invented by whom? Guglielmo Marconi. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Television was invented by John Baird. John Baird, B-A-I-R-D. Okay. Then third one, computer, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer, right? Then telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Then aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. Once again, let me repeat this. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Television, John Baird. Computer, Charles Babbage. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. Okay. This question will help you in one-word answers. Please study all the spellings thoroughly. Okay. Yes. I will send all the questions through WhatsApp. Please copy it neatly in your social classwork note. Have you understood this chapter, children? Do you know to read the question answers now? It's very easy, right? Please study thoroughly with all the spellings, okay? Okay, so the topic of the lesson is transport and communication. We have learnt about the kinds of transport as well as the different kinds of communication. I hope you have understood this chapter. Please watch the video again. If you didn't watch the previous video, please watch it. Then you will understand better, okay? Okay, children, hope you have completed the book back exercise as well as you have understood this topic and you know to read the question answers also. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.